Hello everyone, I'll be giving a quick demo of Zoho Contracts and its key features. The page you see on my screen is the home page you will be taken to when you log in at contracts.zoho.com. Let's start with contract creation and authorizing. The contract module is the central repository that lists all the contracts across your business in a single place. To create a new contract, click New Contract at the top. Pick the contract type from the contract type picklist field. Contract type in Zoho Contract is the mode that defines primary attributes of a contract such as contract intent, contract template, and the approval workflow that needs to be associated. Zoho Contract comes with some predefined contract types along with the contract template. You can also create your own custom template. For example, this e-commerce vendor agreement is the contract type I have created. I'll click on continue. It will ask some basic details. I'll fill those details. So once I'll fill these details, I'll click on save and continue. At this point, Zoho Contracts will automatically generate a contract document based on the contract template that I have configured for the contract type. So here are the few fields that are required to be filled. Orient, Party B, Motviz. So you can fill the fields by clicking the fields and entering the data. Zoho Contract has all the formatting options that are available in a powerful word processor, Zoho Writer. It also has advanced document assembly capabilities. You can go down on the clause tab and remove the clauses that you do not want. By just clicking on unmarking this checkbox, I can delete the purchase service or license clause. You can also collaborate with other members of your team in real time. By sharing the contract with them, you can also add contextual comments in the contract document and set its visibility for them. So after you have completed the contract draft, you can simply click on Draft Complete and then submit the contract for the approval. In Zoho Contract, you can create your own approval workflow and associate them to the contract type. You can view the approval workflow associated with the contract on the left-hand side in the Activity section. The Activity section displays the progress of the document in its approval stage. Once the contract is approved, it can be sent for the negotiation. Traditionally, a contract is sent for the negotiation as the email attachment back and forth. But this process becomes difficult if there are different rounds and when you need to compare the document. In Zoho Contracts, you can provide the counterparties a controlled access to the document via password protected. So here I'll just enter the password. I'll click on send. So the counterparty will receive an email with a link and can view the document. By clicking on view. Counterparty can suggest the changes and add comments and set visibility for everyone. Once the review is completed, the counterparty primary contact can finish the review with or without the signature checkbox. The owner will immediately receive the contract summary. You can send the contract for signature after marking as negotiated. Zoho Sign is tightly integrated with Zoho Contract at this stage. When you click on Send for signature, it will ask you to add the signers. It will be redirected to Zoho Sign where you can add the signature by simply dragging and dropping. I'll click on Send. Once I'll click on Confirm, the signers will receive email with the link to sign, and it can be signed in less than a minute. Let me just show you. So here is the email. I'll click on Start Signing. Proceed to the document. I confirm, agree and continue. Marked as finished. Similarly, the second signer will also receive the email. Proceed to the document. Same steps will be followed. Now I'll just click on Finish. After the contract is signed, it is effective from the date. Let's go to the contracts. Now we can see purchase agreement document is active.